Unlock the true visual potential of your Sony A1 by mastering Slog 3 for breathtaking dynamic range. To begin, navigate to your camera's menu, then select Picture Profile. Choose off if you have custom profiles, or select one of the preset profiles to edit. Within the Picture Profile settings, locate the Gamma option and select Slog 3. This is the key to capturing the maximum dynamic range your A1 is capable of. Next, for the color mode, we'll select Gamut 3 sign. This provides a wider color gamut, giving you more flexibility in post-production. Now, let's fine-tune the black level. A slight adjustment, perhaps to +2, can help prevent crushing your blacks and retain detail in the shadows. The knee setting is crucial for controlling highlights for optimal results. Start with auto, but don't be afraid to manually set it to a higher point, like 105, to protect your brightest areas from blowing out. To help you visualize your Slog 3 footage during shooting, enable Gamma Display Assist. This simulates a Rec. 709 image, making it easier to judge your exposure and composition. When exposing Slog 3, aim to expose to the right. This means making your image slightly brighter than you'd normally expose to preserve as much detail as possible in the shadows without blowing out your highlights. Use your zebras religiously. In post-production, you'll bring your Slog 3 footage to life by applying a LUT or performing manual color grading. This is where you'll recover detail, bring out vibrant colors, and achieve that polished, professional look.